Friends, welcome to RedTube. Now in this hacking series, we are going to learn how to install Kali Linux operating system in your VirtualBox within 2 minutes. Yes, within 2 minutes. So without doing any delay, let's get into it. At first, you have to download a torrent file from the official website of Offensive Security. So if you are using VMware images, VMware software, then you can download from here. And currently I am using VirtualBox. So I have already downloaded this Kali Linux VirtualBox 64-bit torrent 3.1 GB file. So you can download it from here. I have given the link in the description. And you also need to have a Oracle VirtualBox. So you can download it from here by clicking in this big icon. So without doing any delay, let's get into it. So first, open your Oracle VM VirtualBox after installing it. So you will see this kind of window appearing. Then just go in the file and import appliance. So just click here, and here your source should be local file system. Then after, just locate the file where you have downloaded that torrent file. So currently I have downloaded in this downloads folder. I have here and this open virtualization file. So let's open it. So just click here next and just leave as it is and just click import and agree. So guys, you can see here our our OS is installing. So it will take up to 2 to 3 minutes. So here is showing 9 minutes, but it doesn't matter, it only takes 2 or 3 minutes. So for that, let me pause my video. So guys, you can see here we have successfully installed Kali Linux OS in our VirtualBox within 3 minutes, under 3 minutes. It took almost 2 minutes and 30 seconds for me. Regardless of showing the downloading time 9 minutes, 16 minutes, it will just download much faster than that. So just open it guys by clicking this start button. So after a while you click in start, you may see an error message. So please don't panic, it is a common error. So let's fix it. So we have failed to open a session for virtual machine Kali Linux 2020.1. Click OK and just go in the settings. After going in setting, you can see here the USB and this turn off the enable USB controller, and you may see this invalid setting detected, but it doesn't matter. Just click OK and just hit start. So you can see guys, now our Kali Linux will start and boot. You can see here we will have our Kali Linux right in our Oracle VM VirtualBox. So let's wait. So guys, you can see here login window. Just type Kali. This is your default password, and if your password is incorrect, then just try as much as you can and try to type Kali slowly and just hit enter. Here you can see, boom, we have our Kali Linux operating system right in our VirtualBox. So let's run some commands. Guys, this is the way how you can download Kali Linux virtual machine. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos, and if you want technical videos and hacking videos in further days, just comment the topic below and video will be yours. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your hacking geeks. And that's it for today guys. See you in next video.